Greetings, welcome to WP Maps. Before we begin the main topic, let's briefly go over what a store locator is and what it can do for you. Store Locator is an application on your website that allows customers to find stores near them to buy your products. WP Maps helps you to build a fully customized product or store locator for your website. Now look at the WP Maps Store Locator widget. The Store Locator widget, such as this one here, allows you to show all your store locations on a map, so that customers can locate a store that is closest to them. In addition, through the store list here, the Store Locator widget can provide customers with additional information, such as directions, addresses, store timings, etc. for each store. All of these elements of the Store Locator work together to ensure your customers have everything they need to easily and quickly reach your store. The Product Locator widget, such as this one here, can display all your products in neat and organized ways, so that your customers can easily find what they want. With the WP Maps Product Locator widget, your customers can easily locate their desired products by using the Search and Directions feature. Now let's talk about how you can make the customizations to the WP Maps Locator widgets. Log in at wpmaps.com. Firstly, you will need to choose which build you are going to customize. For this, go to the Widgets page and click on the Options button for whichever build you want to customize. From the Color Update button, you change widget colors. From the Translate button, you can replace the text in the widget. We have dedicated tutorials for both, which you can find in the description box below. For UI customization, click the Customize button. You will arrive at the Template Customizer page. Let's take a look at the Drag and Drop UI editor. No coding is required. You can select the section from this menu on which you want to work. Here on the right side of the screen, we can see a preview of the Store Locator widget. As you can see, there is a bunch of information on the store list, such as title, logo, phone number, etc. The drag and drop feature allows us to rearrange the information text in any order. The fields here represent each piece of information on the store list. Furthermore, we can add more fields by using the Insert field or Call to Action button. To rearrange the information, we can simply drag and drop these fields in any order we want. Click on the Refresh Preview button to see what our changes will look like. If we are satisfied with the changes, we can click on Save Changes to save our changes. If, for some reason, you are not happy with the changes you made, you can click on Reset Template to revert to the default look. You can also customize these sections through code by clicking on the HTML button, which is available in all our plans. Finally, the Theme Editor, which is available in our standard plan and above, which gives you complete control to customize every element on the Store or Product Locator widget. With the Theme Editor, you can customize your product and Store Locator widget to make it look exactly as you want by using HTML and CSS. To access the Theme Editor, click the Theme Editor button here. We are now on the Theme Editor section for the build we selected earlier in the video. In the top right corner of the screen, you will find the build name and ID that you are making customizations for. Here you will find the files list. Each of these files represents a section of the product or store locator you can customize. The main parent files in this list are the Locator Handlebars file, which is used to make changes to the Store Locator widget, and the Products Handlebars file, which makes changes to the Product Locator widget. The rest of the files are child files for these two parent files. The CSS file is named style.css. Click on a file to customize or modify a section of the Store or Product Locator widget. This will open a tab on the code editor. You can open multiple tabs to customize different sections simultaneously. Once the code editor is open, You can make any custom modifications by adding new lines of code. But be sure not to break any of the original code lines, as this will result in an error. Once you have added the appropriate code to make a modification, click on the Save button to update the file. Then you have to click the Compile button for changes to apply. Once you have made the modifications or customization you want, you can see how they will look by clicking on the Preview button. Upon successful modification or customization of a particular build, you will need to copy and paste the updated HTML code once, as it will contain a new theme editor tag in the code. Go to the Widgets page and click on this symbol to get the updated code. Copy this code and paste it into your website. That's it for this video. A link to our documentation will be provided in the description box below. Thank you for watching.